Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is a very special day for Kaylee. I'll get into that more after the intro, but as you can probably tell, got a high vis on. Alright, we'll see you after the intro. So it is CBT day for Kaylee today. I've asked if I can film. They've said I can film bits. I do need to be very careful with what I am filming. Obviously where we are, I need to blur out any images, etc. Obviously for safety, because of the grounds that we're on. So I'll try and get that. I'll try not to get anything in like that. Obviously there's other people on the CBT with Kay, so we'll see how we get on and we'll see what footage we can get. So let's get into it. So the company that we are using to do the CBT is the same company that I've used since my very first CBT when I turned 16, and that is Two Wheels Nuneaton Motorcycle Training. It's a company owned by Tim and Sue, and they're the nicest people out there. Obviously I've done everything from my first ever CBT to my second CBT to my full DAS course, and obviously they've been kind enough to allow me to film some footage. It's really difficult because I want to film so much, but obviously there is other people here, people who have never ridden before, and I'm trying to just stay out of the way and get what I can without putting other people under pressure. But I would highly recommend this company. They will take the time to teach you, to advise you to everything. I'll leave a link down below of the company. But yeah, she seems to be getting on alright so far. She doesn't look like she's lost it yet. Been off a bike for 2 years, doesn't look like her confidence has dropped at all.
Oh, you ain't got more shit dancing on there, have you?
Yeah. So I think that's all of her training done on the playground. They're having a little bit of a chat now. Obviously I'm just staying away. I did want to get some drone footage, but we was asked not to fly the drone around, obviously because we're in a school and protection rights, legal stuff, I don't know. Unfortunately, so not been able to get any drone footage, so I apologise for that. I'm not 100% sure what I've actually got or what I'll be able to make of it. like I said, it's really difficult for me to try and stay away without putting any pressure onto Kay or any of the other riders that are here doing their CBT. Hopefully be able to make something of this. So yeah, next time you'll see us now, we'll be out on the road. We'll get Kay's drift camera on. There'll be no audio with that there, but just hopefully get some footage from her point of view. Obviously the instructor, and then I'm going to be sitting right at the back behind the instructor, trying to get some footage and see how she gets on. So we'll see you out on the road. There she goes, out onto the road. So as I've probably previously mentioned before, Kaylee used to have a little Honda CB125F, and she loved that bike, and we were going through the process of getting her on her big bike and doing her license, and obviously COVID struck, and like a lot of people, finances wasn't great. So everything had to be put on hold, and Kay ended up selling her bike. Before anyone puts the comments in there about like me selling my bike, we did discuss it, and she physically wouldn't allow me to ever sell my bike. So I'm so proud of her for wanting to continue that and getting out on a bike again. She's just said to me, and we'll have a little chat with her after this, but I'm so proud of her for getting back out on two wheels, wanting to get her own bike, wanting to do a license, wanting to better herself. And yeah, so Kate, I am proud of you, Bab, and you are doing amazing. Well, you couldn't have asked for better weather though, Kate. It has been dry. It's now warmed up a little bit. It was freezing earlier. I was just sat under like a little canopy, and there was a little breeze, and I was so cold. So I'm glad that the sun's decided to finally come out, and now I get to get on the bike and I get to watch her, and I get to hopefully join her on a whole journey, and obviously hopefully bring you guys along as well. So after today, this will be box number 2 ticked for her, and halfway to gaining her full license. So as mentioned before, if there is anyone out there who is watching this video and even thinking about either getting themselves onto two wheels or doing a DAS course, I'd seriously recommend Two Wheels Nuneaton, as the training they provide is top notch. They honestly go above and beyond. So, turning the road exercise. Smashed it first time. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. So as you've just probably seen, Kay's just done the turn in the road and the emergency stop at 30 miles an hour. She did 3 of each and smashed all 3. She's doing incredibly well. So now, just been told by the instructor, we're just going to go do a bit of town riding, head back to their unit, where Kay will be dropping her bike off. She'll jump on the back of me, we'll take her back up there. The school that we was at this morning, they'll sort out what they need to sort out, and hopefully that'll be it. Let's get up to 50, let's get up to 50, let's get up to 50, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I seriously think I need help. Go on, Kay, feel the need for speed. Oh, we're going down the lanes. Woohoo, lanes! Lanes, lanes, lanes. Well, I never came down roads like this on my CBT. Slightly jealous, really.
Yeah, I forgot to record.
I don't think it's got any audio because it's not got a mic plugged in.
I forgot to record.
So guys, just found out that the SD card was full on the last camera. On the last video, so just put a fresh SD card in. We've just dropped the bike off at the unit. Obviously Kay's now on the back of myself, as you can probably see from the high vis in the mirror. We're just heading back up to the school where they did the first location, where they did all the training, and she'll find out if she's passed CBT. Let's face it, she's passed. I don't think you can fail a CBT. So we shall see you guys back up at the school. Oh, that's the bike all packed away and getting ready for a wash tomorrow.
Ready, girl.
What you got in your hands there, Kay?
Well, since you asked so nicely, I'll show you what I got in my hands, darling.
You need to spin round. Well, we need to turn around because the sun is making you just look like a silhouette.
Okay.
There you go. There's your beautiful face. What have you got in your hands?
I have my CBT certificate.
Well done.
Because I passed it today.
How'd you find it?
It was great being back out and I liked
Yeah? I'm not.
Oh.
I'm not.
Yeah, good being back out on the bike. Forgot how fun it was. And can't wait to get on a bigger one.
Great. So that's now two
boxes ticked out of 4. So that's the the theory and the CBT done. So now I've just got mod 1 and mod 2 to do.
Which is amazing news.
Yay!
So guys, Hope you enjoyed this video. We hope it's helped people and maybe gave a brief insight into the CBT. Again, obviously, if the footage is not great, I tried to stay as far back or as way as I possibly could to not put pressure onto other people, Kaylee included.
And I forgot to put my camera on.
Yes, we pulled up at the unit. I went to see if Kaylee had like go turn her camera off, and she hadn't even switched. No, she switched it on. She hadn't pressed record.
I didn't press record, sorry. So you missed all the ride that I did.
Luckily, hopefully, I've got a lot of the footage, but I was planning on Kay's footage being there. So we shall see what we've got, and obviously hopefully be able to make something decent out of it. So, from both of us here at Cartfield.
Bye. Hope to see you out there.
See you later, guys.